So you want to find your personal style. What's good, YouTube? My name. In today's video, I'm gonna help you do that. Identify the people or things that you draw inspiration from. For me, people like Uzi, Cardi, they come to mind. Look at how the people dress in your favorite movies or TV shows. I like Naruto, Full Metal Alchemist. Another way to increase your personal style is look at your hobbies and try and find style cues you can take from there. My personal hobbies are basketball. Kyrie was a big inspiration for me, so instead of actually copying his style, it was certain things that he was into that I got into, which eventually found a way into my personal style. Style isn't necessarily just clothes. It's also about how you carry yourself. It's an extension of your personality, and it should reflect that. Phase 2, learn your closet. Now that you've identified your inspirations and went shopping to buy the clothes you want, literally try on every piece of clothing in your closet. From this, you will learn all the proportions, the colors that you like, silhouettes that you enjoy. In fashion, you want to make sure the fit fits. If the proportions are off, if it don't fit right, it's not going to be good. So you really want to pay attention to how the clothes fit you. You'll learn that some clothes you don't wear as much as you thought you did. Some clothes you don't wear at all. Some clothes you wear a lot. It's a lot easier to dress when you have staple pieces and you know exactly like how you want to start your outfit. So another tip is to get rid of any clothing that you know you're not going to wear anymore. Pay attention to your most worn pieces and buy things that are similar to that. After weeding out your wardrobe, now you want to shop accordingly. Phase 3, isolation. This is done to ensure that you don't remain in phase 1 and 2. I believe it is very important and healthy for us to isolate ourselves, take breaks from social media. You want to be able to reflect on your fashion journey so far without any outside commentary. You want to be able to sit in your own creativity. You want to go shopping alone so that way nobody can tell you, oh, that shit sucked. You want to just be able to buy impulsively. During this time, you should be learning more and more about yourself.
Self-love, you need to increase the amount of time that you spend with yourself. Get off of the cell phone, get off the fucking internet. Be a person and learn how to love yourself,
which is further aid you in finding your personal style. It allows one to self-reflect. It allows you to grow. You should sit in your negative and positive thoughts. You want to let those thoughts internalize, and you really want to take those in. Isolation will make you your most natural self. You are the way you are because of a specialized sequence of events unique to your own being. Fully understanding
yourself and see how you can change yourself, because when you change the way you think, you change the way you perceive the world.
This gives you a perspective on life, which you can use to funnel into your creativity when it comes to creating your personal outfits. Everything has a cause and effect. By you sitting in your own thoughts, isolating yourself, you distance yourself from society, and you tend to stray away from trends very easily. Eventually, instead of trying to recreate outfits you see on IG or TikTok, you will simply just wear what you want to. There's plenty of benefits that come from self-isolation, and it's really just all about how you choose to use your time. Realize this is a process. It takes time. Enjoy the journey, because that's the fun part of this. Being able to experiment with new looks and not knowing what's next is the fun part. Think about it this way. When watching a movie, we hate spoilers. Fashion is the same way. Once you find your personal style, your fits can get a bit stagnant and boring. They can become predictable. It's not fun when you know exactly what you're gonna wear. Just like watching a movie when you already know how it's going to end.